Hello and welcome to this session. So here we are having a payments table and I just did a select star from this payment table, right? So if I do something like this payment status, so I'm only getting one column, and if I execute this, so you will see all the data related to the payment status. Now if you see here, right, success fail pending, basically it generates all the data all from all the records. Okay. So what if I just wanted to get the unique values? So these are all duplicates here, right? So I just wanted to know, like, what are the unique payment status, right? So I want to eliminate those duplicates. So what I can do for that, I can use something called as distinct. So distincts basically will display me the data after eliminating the duplicates. Now this is one thing important to understand is it will not make any changes to the actual table. So if the record, if this is basically if you have like 100 such records in the table and your distinct may give me one or two records, but that does not mean that it is actually making any changes to the actual table. Like you will still have 100 records. It's just that filtering, like it will only display those unique records for you, right? So if I execute this, you will see that I only have three distinct values of payment status. So this is very useful when you have some data coming in, you just want to eliminate the duplicates, you use a distinct. Okay. So you can also use distinct, like here I have used just one column, right? So you can use as many columns as you can. Like for example, if I want to know the distinct order ID and payment or payment date, right? Payment date, come on. Now what it will show me is it will show me the distinct payment date, payment status. So what happens? Identifier was invalid. So okay. So let's look at this again. Okay, so this is DAT. Okay, so if we execute this, right, it will show me this combination is unique, right? You will not see this combination again. This combination unique. This combination is unique. So here we are basically selecting different columns. Now, can I do a distinct star? Right. So here I said this payment date, payment two columns, but can I do a distinct star? So this is something which we usually don't do, but you can also get distinct values of all the columns as well. So this is where is it useful, right? So for example, you are getting some records where you have duplicates, so same data getting repeated again and again, right? And you have some logic where you want to kind of, let's say you're getting 1,000 orders, right? So same order gets repeated, right? So you should not consider the duplicate records. In that case, you can basically do a select distinct star. It will basically eliminate all the duplicates. It will only give you the unique values. From there, you can apply all your logic, whether you want to sum it up or you want to take the average, all of this, you can do it. So this is very important, distinct. Now, one thing that I wanted to also show is like distinct is basically it what it does it kind of sorts the data and removes the duplicate, eliminates the duplicates, right? So this is a costly operation. So what I mean by costly operations is if you use distinct, right, your performance will be slow. If you have like 1 to 10 million records and you're applying distinct, it will take some time because it will have to process the data. It will have to kind of eliminate the duplicates, right? So this is one thing that you should keep in mind. A distinct is it will take time. So ensure only when you are having when you have to use the distinct, you'll obviously have to use it. But otherwise, this is a way of kind of eliminating the duplicates. All right. Okay. So that is all I have here, and I'll see you guys in my next class.